In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio in Audiotool. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left inside your project, and you want to click on Project, and then Sample Upload, and then Upload Sample. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to open up your probe here, and you can just go ahead and basically click on Browse to actually be able to add audio. Then, find your audio on your computer. So I have it over here, just something completely random. I'm going to click on here and click on Open. And then from here, as you can see, you can go ahead and, of course, edit it. You could go ahead and cut different parts. You could delete, you could chop, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to leave this like it is, and then I'm going to go to File, top left, and I'm going to click on Upload. Now here, I'm just going to click on OK, and then I'm going to click on Ignore over here. There we go. And as you can see, I can give it a name. I'm just going to name it Piano Sample like this. Description is going to be Piano Sample as well, and then Piano as the tag over here. Now, whenever you do that, you can select the type, either one shot or loop. I'm going to do one shot, and then here you have a bunch of different things. If you want it to be visible to everyone or not, I'm just going to leave it to myself, and I'm going to click on Upload. Now, this is going to start uploading depending on how long your track is. It could take like a few minutes or just a few seconds. There we go. Then click on OK, and then you want to go back to your Audiotool, and if you go to this plus button top right here, you'll be able to see under Samples, under My over here, you should be able to now see your things. So there we go. As you can see, Piano Sample is over here. So go to Samples, My. Here I have the piano sample, and now to get it and to use it to actually add the audio, you simply want to click and drag it over here on your board or on your screen, and there we go. It's going to add an audio track, and down here at the bottom, you also have an audio track which you can then play, and it's going to be that audio. So if I play this, there we go, something completely random, but you get the point. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.